Hi, I Dr. Kapil Dua with more than 20 years of experience of doing hair transplant would like to share the common myths regarding hair transplant. Number 1, hair transplant can cause cancer. There is no scientific evidence which says that a hair transplant can cause cancer as we work in the superficial part of the skin. Number 2, hair transplant can cause damage to the brain. We work on the skin which is outside the skull, but it does not mean that we are entering the brain, thereby causing any damage to the brain. As said earlier, we work in the superficial part, so the chances of entering the brain are minimal. Number 3, hair transplant is a very risky surgery. Had it been a risky surgery, then every technician would have not been doing this surgery. Every mom and pop shop would have not thought about doing a hair transplant. So it's a safe surgery, especially when it is done by qualified doctors. Myth number 4, hair transplant gives instant results. Instant results are not possible in hair transplant. It usually takes around 9 to 12 months to get the best results. Myth number 5, anyone can do a hair transplant surgery. As per the government of India, only qualified doctors who are well trained in hair transplant can do the surgical steps of the hair transplant, that is slit making and harvesting. So don't be fooled and go to any technician who is just around the corner. Do your research properly and get rid of these myths before undergoing your hair transplant.